Etapa 6, sección 24, vamos por Flow Repair Game, repaso.
Welcome to Ideas with B, where people share their interesting business projects. I'm B, and if I like your business idea, we can work together. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Rebuild. Flood. Players. Repairing. Rebuild.
Hi, B. I'm Lee. I have a game idea about repairing a town after a flood. Hi, B. I'm Lee. I have a game idea about repairing a town after a flood.
Oh, interesting. How does this game help players fix the damage after the flood?
Players become town heroes. They clean, rebuild, and make sure people are safe from future floods with warnings. They clean, rebuild, and make sure people are safe from future floods with warnings.
I admire this idea. Have there been many floods in the areas you think of for the game?
Yes, there have been in some places. It's a good way to teach kids about what happens during a flood.
I think a game like this is very important. There has been so much rain this spring. Your game idea sounds perfect. Let's work together. Thanks for listening to Ideas with B. See you next time.
Vuelve el fútbol a Bolivia con el torneo